Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 169. Today we show you the Cadillac of QR code generators, QRCode Monkey. Okay, this week will be short and sweet. We covered the basics of QR codes and how they work before in Tech Tuesday 135. QRCode Monkey is a free QR code generator that allows you to make professional and customized QR codes for more than just URLs. Head on over to QRCode-monkey.com and check out all the free options. Now there are two major reasons why this service is actually pretty sweet: customization and code types. For customization, you can set colors, whether it's a single color or a gradient color, and you can even set the custom eye color. Now the eye color is the color of the little objects in the corner here. So let's say I set these different colors and then I say create QR code. You'll see that the corners adopt these two different colors, the eye color and the frame of that eye color. The colors up here are the colors of the gradient that you set, or if you set it to a single color, it's just going to give you one. Of course, you can select any colors you like here and then hit create QR code and it'll generate that. You can get some pretty ugly looking things here, or you can go down here to the QR code templates and select a number of preset QR code templates. You can add a logo image to it. And if you go here, you can choose to upload your own image, or you can select an image from the many different presets they have here, and then hit create QR code again to see what it's going to look like. Of course, you do want to enter your content, so you want to be able to put in a YouTube video or a website or something like that. So here's my QR code with a custom logo and custom color. The custom design lets you change a few things, such as the shape of the dots that are used to make up the QR code, as well as the shape of the eye frame and the eyeball inside there. Over on the right here, you can set the resolution of the file that you would like to download, and when you're happy with it, hit download PNG. Now when you hit this, you may be tempted to click on this button for a free sign up. This is an ad to upgrade the account to a paid account. You don't really need to do this unless you want the extra features. Just understand it takes a moment for it to do that, to generate your image, and then your image will be downloaded to your computer there with a generic name of QRCode.png. You'll want to rename that file so that you can remember what that QR code is going to. Okay, so what if you need something more than just a basic URL? Well, this is the second good thing about this service, and that is all the different types of QR codes you can create. As we covered in that previous Tech Tuesday 135, QR codes can link to more than just websites. They can do a lot of other functions. You can have a QR code that just gives you text. You can have a QR code that will send an email out. You put in the email address, the subject, and the message, and then generate the QR code, and it will create a code that gives instructions for that device to launch the email client and preload the email subject and message if you so desire. Of course, all of these can be customized in the same way that your basic QR code can be done. Phone lets you set your phone number, and that will activate the call option on the device that scans the code. An SMS will do the same, except you can put in the phone number and a preset message. These are really good if you want, let's say, a QR code for feedback with a specific subject, specific even message to start off with. vCard and MeCard are basically contact cards, and it's a really fast way to share your contact information, and that loads it into the person's device as an actual contact. The vCard and the MeCard are kind of interchangeable. They're slightly different. The vCard has a little bit more information for it, like work position and organization. The MeCard is a little bit more simple. The one thing to understand is that the vCard does create a more complex QR code with a lot more dots than the MeCard. And so if you're printing it on something small, you may want to go with MeCard. Location is awesome because it will actually create a link to a geographical location and will launch their Maps app on the phone. I tried putting in the address here and searching, but it doesn't seem to do anything. So what I have been able to do is just use the map itself and use control and the wheel on the mouse as it instructs me to, and then I can zoom in to, let's say, Brooklet and find the address that way. Let's say for First District RISA. Clicking on that will preload the latitude and longitude, and then I can say generate the QR code. And that's the code for a maps link to First District RISA. Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube are pretty much the same as a URL, a basic URL, except that they do tend to launch the app that's appropriate for that. Wi-Fi, we covered this in the Tech Tuesday 135. You can actually set a password and all that for the Wi-Fi and have people scan it, and that will join your Wi-Fi, and you don't even have to give out the password. You don't have to post that anywhere or whatever else. You just scan the code. The last one I want to mention is event. It will launch the calendar app and go ahead and create a calendar event with the title, location, start time, and end time that you specify. This is excellent for use in like event flyers, announcements, and so on, because people can just scan it and add that event to their calendar. So get out there and start making some professional, high quality looking QR codes for more than just web URLs. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and click that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon to receive email notifications. Leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.